Hey friend, did you know there are some weird services you can offer on Fiverr as a freelancer to make some cool cash for yourself, like more than $400 every single week? Then watch this video because I will share with you 3 weird Fiverr gig services that you can offer to make money online using Fiverr freelancing without having any technical skills, without having to go and acquire any big skill. What you need to do is just 3 weird things that you already know how to do, and I'm going to share with you how to offer them on services like Fiverr to make money online every single day and like up to $450 every single week. So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, and what I do on this channel is to create videos that will help you to make money online, that comprises of digital marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and Fiverr freelancing. As you can see, this is a video I made just yesterday about 5 Fiverr gigs for beginners, and just the other day I make another video about how to promote your Fiverr gigs to make money every single day. So if you would like videos like this, if you would like digital marketing, Fiverr freelancing, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch my other videos. So let's get started with the video as I share with you 3 weird Fiverr gig services that can help you to make like $400 every single week. And as you can see, the first gig here is dancing. Yes, you heard me right, just dancing. What you already know how to do. As you can see, this person says, I will create fire TikTok dance video on your song. That's just what this guy is going to do for you. And as you can see, this guy is selling for $15 and he has sold over 500 different times. And if I hover over this video, this thumbnail, you're going to see the kind of dance this guy can dance. Look at this, he's dancing. And if I hover over the second video, you will see the kind of dance this second person can dance also. And he says, I will dance hip-hop song on ice to your song. That's exactly what this guy can do. This is weird, people. And he's charging for $35 and he has sold for over 250 times. The third person says, I will create a TikTok dance video to promote your music. That's it. Like, you can really just video yourself while dancing and upload it on TikTok, promote someone's song, and that's it. You're making cool cash. This person is making $45 for every single time he's made this video, and she has sold for over 470 times. This person says, I will create a unique dance and music videos for you. That means she will just record herself while dancing and she will upload that video to you, and that way she's making cool cash. She has sold for over 80 times, and for these 80 times she's making at least $80 every single time she does this. This is weird services that people offer on Fiverr and make cool cash for themselves. No going to learn digital marketing skills or video editing, no, just the normal dancing you know how to do already. You can offer it as a service on Fiverr and make cool cash for yourself. The second gig we are going to look at is singing. Yes, you heard me right, singing. And as I scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that this person says, I will professionally sing, write, and record vocals for your song. This person is charging for $30 and he has sold for over 99 different times. That's it. Just singing. And this person says, I will be your May pop and blues vocalist. What you do is your clients are going to give you a script, the music that you're going to see. So all you will need to do is to use your own voice to record that video, to record that song, just your voice, not a video, just your voice, just the audio, just to sing, only your voice, using only your voice to make money on Fiverr. This is weird. Just your voice. As you can see, this third person says, I will be your singer and songwriter, just to write songs for you and sing for you using just the audio. This person is making $100 every single song that she writes or sings, and she has sold for over 300 different times. This is huge money that these people are making online every single day. And as you can see, the fourth person says, I will be your professional female ghost vocalist and top liner. That means ghost means she is not going to be present. She's going to use only her voice to make money, and she has made over $150. She makes over $150 every single time she's doing this, and she has sold for over 370 different times. Guys, this is what you need to do. If you know how, if you have a good voice that you can sing, and you know that when you sing people like your voice, or your voice sounds good, you can make money on Fiverr just by using your voice. That's it. Let's check the third one. Let's wait for this to load up. Okay, the third one is listening to people. You know, there are some people that maybe they are lonely, they're left alone in their house, they don't have people to talk to. So what you can do is to offer yourself as a listener. While they talk, you listen to them. Maybe if they have questions, they can ask you, or if they need advice, you can advise them on what to do. As you can see, this person says, I will be your empathy listener and life coach. That means while you have complaints to make, while you have situations at hand, you have things to say, this person can empathize with you, listen to you, advise you if you need, and that way she is making cool cash for herself just by listening to people who are bored, who are lonely in the house. She is charging $25 and she has sold for over 70 different times. This person says, I will be your life coach and listen to you with empathy. Almost the same thing with this first person. She's selling for $30 and she has sold for over 8 times. This person says, I will be your empathic listener and a friend. That means she's going to be your friend, talk with you, chat with you, listen to you, give you advice, all that cool stuff, and she's making cool cash for herself just by doing that. So these are 3 Fiverr gig weird services that you can offer to make some cool cash for yourself every single day, and you can make over $400 every single week just by doing these things that you don't need to go learn a high skill or anything that has to do with any investment. All you need to do is you listen to people. For example, in this gig, and the second one we look at was singing just by using your voice, and the first one we look at was dancing. Just you video yourself dancing, you can make money online. So check out my other videos on this channel, because I told you I make videos around making money online, digital marketing, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing. So watch my other videos, subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video so far, drop a comment below telling me Fiverr money. I'm going to make that Fiverr money. Just drop that comment below. Subscribe to this channel, watch my other videos, like this video, and see you in the next one.